Hey everyone, welcome back. With iOS 26, Apple continues to enhance the iMessage experience, making group conversations more interactive and productive. One of the standout features is the ability to create posts directly within iMessage. Whether you are deciding where to eat, planning a weekend outing, or gathering opinions for a quick vote, posts make it pretty easy for everyone in the chat to participate. That said, let's learn how to create a poll in iMessage on iPhone and iPad. So first up, you have to launch the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to open a chat thread. And then you have to tap the plus button and choose the polls option in the menu. After that, you just have to type in your questions. And then you can add a comment if needed and send it, and that's about it. With just a few taps, you can collect opinions and make group decisions without the usual back and forth. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your iMessaging game, and I'll catch you up in the next one.